Do you like broccoli? And there's Princess on the air conditioner outside. Kitty, kitty, kitty! Hi, kitty! Hi, Princess! We see you. You have broccoli. Is broccoli yummy full? Do you like broccoli? There you are. Be careful you don't fall over your Play-Doh. Are you going to go to the park again tomorrow? Or are we going to stay at home and work on your swing set? That's a carrot.
Bye.
Pork chops. Little bite. Little bite. Do you like them? Do you like broccoli? Do you like broccoli? Do you like carrots?
No.
You love them? Are they yummy?
Come out.
You want Princess to come in? Okay, but do you like carrots really? Do you like carrots? You do? What color are they?
Pink.
They're not pink. Who's been feeding you pink carrots? Do you like green eggs and ham?
Ham.
You like ham? Do you want me to make you green eggs and ham?
Ham.
Pork chops is ham. And you're eating green broccoli, so green broccoli and ham. Mmm. Eat a carrot. You're so silly boy. Peekaboo. Where are you going? No! There you are. Oh, Tiger, yes. What does Tiger do? Oh, really? Okay. Tell everybody bye-bye.
No.
Say I'm going to go back to eating my food.
No.
Well, if we make it too big, YouTube won't upload. You can put it on YouTube.
No, come back.
Really?
I know.
Oh.
No. No.
Okay, eat another bite. You know, you can sit down. You don't want to sit down? There you go. Have your very own little table. Oh my goodness. You okay? Don't scare me like that. Now, do you see when Mommy says little bites? Little bites. So you can chew them up easier. Yeah, but you take little bites off of the broccoli. You're so cute.
done.
Are you done? Really? Oh, you ate all the broccoli.
More.
You want more broccoli?
Uh-huh.
Mr. Baby loves broccoli. Okay, I will go make you some more broccoli.